Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a video on the 2023 Ford F-150. We call it the Lightning Bolt here. So we're going to cover this very unique vehicle that we do here at McArthur, exclusively here. Cannot get this anywhere else. So it is a special custom build we've been creating since 2019, making a little bit better and better every single year, and I think this is the best yet. So we're going to cover what you can get from the factory, as well as what we do to this by McArthur Performance in-house here at the dealership, and I think you'll like it. So if you're looking for that tribute Lightning from the 1990s, 2000s, this is what we're trying to replicate with this vehicle here. So natural aspirated horsepower here that you're going to like, supercharged F-150. So let's get into all the juicy details. If you like this video, smash the like button. Also, don't forget, if you like videos like this or want to stay up to date on Ford news and information, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified next time another video uploaded to the channel. So first, let's talk about some of the factory equipment that we have put on this before we add our Lightning Bolt package. So let's talk about some of the factory equipment. So when we order these from Ford, we order these in a specific configuration, and then we add the Lightning Bolt package to that. So let's talk about how we order those from the factory. First off, we start off with an XL trim, regular cab, just like this, in either two-wheel drive or 4x4. Now, of course, the original Lightning of the 1990s and 2000s, they were regular cab, and so that's why we would need to go with a regular cab. To do that, you cannot get a regular cab in an XLT trim. So we keep that. Not only do we try to keep the cost down, but we got to go XL so that we can get that regular cab configuration like you'd be expecting. So we're going to order this on the XL. A lot of the ones that we have in stock right now, we have a couple different white ones. We have a red one, an Atlas blue, an agate black, even iconic silver. So we have all different color options with different wheel options available right now. But we do order those in a regular cab, two-wheel drive, or you can get it in the optional four-wheel drive if you want. Again, all of ours happen to be the two-wheel drive right now. We also order these with the 5.0 liter V8 engine. Very important for what we're going to add to that it happens to be that 10-speed automatic transmission also is standard on all the vehicles. Now this in here will have the upgraded 101A equipment groups. It does have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, it does have cruise control, manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel, full AC, even has a Sync 4 system with the 8-inch touchscreen that's included. Automatic headlights even. It has the full suite of Bluetooth, not Bluetooth, the full suite, almost the entire suite of the Copilot 360 features. So you have pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. You're going to have that come along with it. And some of those great features to make sure you don't get any accidents. Also, rear view mirror, or rear view camera, I should say, with the reverse sensing system. So pretty unusual. Rear view camera is pretty standard anymore, but the reverse sensing system is going to be included in this, along with the Class 4 receiver hitch. We'll also have your bench seat, so that 20/40 bench seat in there. We're going to do some fun stuff to that here in just a little bit and when we talk about that. But a lot of equipment, including the Ford Pass Connect, where you can stay connected to the vehicle using that Ford Pass app, and all those other features you'd expect on a regular F-150. They've become pretty loaded anymore with a lot of features. So that's all going to be included from the factory, and then we're going to put our Lightning Bolt package on it. We bring it back here to the dealership and we add a few more things to it. So let's cover some of those features. Now let's talk about some of the equipment as part of this Lightning Bolt package. One of the first things you're going to notice that we do on this vehicle is we lower it. So this does have a lowering kit, is IHC. We used Beltec last year, and last year it was a 2 inches lower in the front, 4 inches lower in the back. We've gone to IHC, so it's an adjustable suspension. So we can adjust that. Right now it's set at 3 inches lower in the front, 5 inches lower in the back, but you can go 6 inch lower if you want to bring that down a little bit more on the back. So it's very adjustable. We like that. Also, you're going to notice the wheels here. This is the Dub Baller 22-inch wheels, similar to what we've been using in the past. These are an alloy wheel that you're seeing here, so 22 by 9.5 inch. There are an option for a black, as you can see right now. I got one over here off to the side that has the white with the black, and we also do have chrome available too. So we have an Atlas blue with chrome currently in stock too, with that same that wheel. Also comes with a Nitto performance or high performance tire. There are two, wait a minute, I had it earlier, 285 45 R22s on those for the front and the back, and we do have the Gorilla lugs as well with the key code on those. So those look pretty sharp as well on those wheels to kind of keep those protected so nobody takes those pretty cool wheels. Also, a couple other things you're going to notice, not probably kind of some of the last things that we do. We'll get into what's in the front here in just a little bit. But we do have the privacy glass from the factory on the back glass. These front windows, we are going to put the XPEL window tint on those as well, covered under a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty with any XPEL dealer. In fact, everything we talk about is going to be covered for a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Also, after you do the lowering kit and the wheels and tires, we also do a road force balance and mount, 4-wheel alignment, all that kind of stuff too. So that way you're protected there and everything's got that recalibration and everything taken care of on the vehicle. Also, you'll see the spray and bed liner. This is a TOF material, spray and bed liner, also covered under actually a lifetime warranty on the spray and liner for you. So you're gonna have that in there as well. And on the other side, you can't see it on this side, on the other side is the MBRP side dual exhaust. So pretty cool. We have a couple different options, either the black or the chrome tips. So pretty cool either way you go on those, but those are available. So if you do have the black wheels, a lot of times we go with the black exhaust tips. Alloy wheels would go with the chrome typically, or even the chrome package, of course, would go with the chrome. So those are the options there, but we're not done yet. Let's talk about the interior. So here on the inside, we do have the upgraded leather and heated seats. So we add heated seats to this, to the outside seats. You'll switch over here for high and low for heated seats. So you get heated seats with this. Also, you're gonna get a custom seat of our design. We created this, so leather trimmed on the outside, suede inside, so typical to what you did see back in the 90s, 2000s. You do have our logo on the backrest as well that we created here at McArthur. So you have that as well. So actually the leather suede heated seats actually gets put on first. That gets drop shipped at Top King and then they deliver it to us. And then we do everything else here in-house. So you're gonna have that as well. You have a dash plaque as well that lets you know this is one of a certain number. We only do so many each year, very low number run. You know, like I said, we have about 5 or 6 in stock right now. But we do a very limited, usually less than about 15 or 20 each year. But that dash plaque will tell you which one you have right there. And lastly, of course, not least, is what was under the hood. So let's move this camera around so you can see what's under that hood. All right, now under the hood is where you'd expect. Of course, if you want to be anything like the old Lightning of the 90s and 2000s, you gotta have a supercharged F-150, right? So we're going with Roush on this. So we are a certified Roush dealer. So this is the Roush 705 horsepower supercharger with your cold air intake. So pretty cool supercharger. Again, we are Roush certified mechanics here. So this is installed in-house here with our Roush certified mechanics. So it's gonna be covered under a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. V8 supercharged, 705 horsepower, more horsepower than the Whipple supercharger that Ford Performance puts on their vehicles on this one here. And you're gonna have all that power in this nice little regular cab F-150. So I think you'll have a lot of fun with this. Now, a couple other things that we do, about forgot these, that I think are very important to this, and that is the front and rear bumpers are painted to match. So we do take those off. Our body shop does paint those to match the body, so they're going to match, in this case, the Oxford white. So the XLs will come with black bumpers. We will paint those to match front and rear back here. Also, we're going to add our lightning bolt graphics as well back here on the bedside. Of course, don't forget, everything's covered under a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Whatever, if you know, a lot of the different vendors that we work with are more national vendors. You can go and take care of, whether it be XPEL or anything else. We'll cover that. If not, we'll have it taken care of, and we will just contact us and we'll cover the cost for the repairs on that. So pretty cool little build. Again, we've been doing this since about 2019. We've changed it up just a little bit since then, and I think it's a best yet here for 2023. Again, can only get these at Long McArthur Ford, so if you want to get one of those, check out our website, longmcarthur.com. Go to our Long McArthur Performance tab, whether it be on the home page or up in the top on the red and black logo up there, and it'll take you to all the different custom builds we do. Just click under the F-150 builds, click on that lightning bolt tribute link there, and you'll see this video along with all of our current inventory for these right now. And we have quite a few in stock right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from where I'm standing right now that I can see. So several different color options for you. So check those out. And of course, we are always getting our prices in line, and I think we just lowered our price on these. So check that out on our website. Any other questions, don't forget, put those down in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the red subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified next time another video uploaded to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Until the next one, don't forget, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you on the next video.